Right now I'm on my way to Ngamba Island, and safety is paramount for everything. That's why you see me putting on this life jacket. There is my captain, Monday, Yusuf. Welcome to Ngamba Island. We just arrived and time right now. The chimpanzees are very excited and warming up. I don't know what they will be fed, but in a short while. So today's menu, we have papaya, watermelon, and their best, which is jackfruit. Huh? Ew. The Ngamba Island has a name. This is Cheunyo, Masco, Mawa, Medina, Megan, Minnie, Nagoti. So we are done with the feeding of the chimpanzees, and now we will head to the veterinary clinic to learn more about how chimpanzees are taken care of, and we are using another route and heading out to the veterinary clinic, which I talked about, where we're going to learn more about how chimpanzees are treated, their health, their diseases, and so forth. So this is where chimpanzees spend their night. Remember, they sleep in a different nest every night, so they give them this hay, which they take inside the hammock and prepare their bed. Oh, that's the chimpanzee sound. You hear it? Guess why they love fruits. It's not only known for the chimpanzees, but there are different animal species, different bird species, the Nile monitor lizard, the spotted otter.
Used to teach us on fire, so we cannot leave that. So to guests who spend a night on the island, it's one of the experiences they have. In the evening, we go and have fire. Almost back to the mainland.